In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password in Google Classroom. Before we jump in, a quick note. Your Classroom password is the same password for your Google account, so changing it here will update your sign-in across Gmail, Drive, and other Google services. Make sure you're on the correct account, especially if you switch between personal and school profiles. Start on the Google Classroom homepage. Once the dashboard loads, look to the top right and open the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. This area controls your Classroom preferences and provides a direct link to your Google account. In Settings, choose Manage. This opens your Google account in a new tab. From here, you're moving out of Classroom and into your account's security controls, which is exactly where password changes happen. On your Google account page, select the option labeled My Password. For security, Google may ask you to confirm your identity, such as re-entering your current password or completing a quick verification. That's normal and helps keep your account safe. You'll now see the form to create a new password. Enter a strong password you haven't used on this account before. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A longer passphrase, something memorable made of several unrelated words, can be both secure and easier to remember. Avoid personal details and anything that appears in old passwords or other accounts. If you use a password manager, let it generate and store a unique password for you. Next, confirm your new password by typing it again in the confirmation box. Take a second to ensure both entries match exactly. Even a small difference will prevent the change. When both fields look good, click Change Password. Google will save your new credentials and apply them across your account. You might be signed out on other devices or apps to protect your account, so plan to sign back in with your new password where needed. If your browser asks to update a saved password, approve the change to avoid lockouts later. That's it. You started in Classroom, opened Settings, went to Manage, selected My Password, created and confirmed a strong new password, and then clicked Change Password. The next time you access Classroom, use your updated password. If your account is managed by a school or organization and you don't see these options, reach out to your IT support for assistance.